Hi guys, it's WizR6 and this may be my one of the last few unboxing videos for Gunpla, but I certainly will not be disappointing you guys because I have a bunch of stuff. So first off, this Sengoku SD kit is a Dubin Wolf, which was in which series? Double Zeta Gundam series. I kind of like this mold suit. And next off, I'll go over my supplies. Epoxy for pretty much easy modeling needs. And next, I have a 2.0 2mm claw plate for $15, which will be quite useful over time. And I have bought some tubes. Funny thing with this is that I bought this hoping to have to be able to make cylinders, but this inside radius is a tad too small, like way small than to fit in the 2.2 mm that I bought earlier, which sucks. But I guess I'll use them as gun barrels. And two master grade kits. Well, yeah. The GNX, which came from XLJ. I had to pay custom tax on this, so it was about the same as if I bought it at Japan retail price, but it is alright. This reminds me of Evangelion Unit 2. Well, just notice the eyes and everything. Not too sure what to do with this kit, but there's for sure modding opportunities. The thing I have in mind would be the advanced GNX, where it would be difficult somehow. Yeah, I'll try anyway. This one, Destiny normal box type, which was again from XLJ for about 2,900 yen. And again, I had to pay tax on this, like $15 of tax. But it is a very sweet model. And from brief glance, the instructions showing the torso, how it is constructed. It is very complex in contrast to other master grades. And I can think of it as a perfected strike weapon system. Well, it does have all of the weapons. Whoa. Swords, launcher, beam rifle, boomerangs. Well, everything about this kit is splendid. Like there's not even any seam lines to heal or not. So I highly recommend this. Probably this might be one of my last master grades. The last time I mentioned it, it was quite funny. But yeah, that's it for my Christmassy hauls. And I hope everyone will have a great Christmas and happy holidays and happy New Year, since I don't think I would have time to do a video from then on. So see you guys next time from with our 6. Merry Christmas!